Yep, Steve Aiken from Intelligent Plant, and he'll now be presenting on improving efficiency and helping the environment. So over to you, Steve.
Yep, so I take it this is sharing okay, and you can now hear me?
Very loud and clear.
Awesome. So my name is Steve Aiken. I'm the founder of a company called Intelligent Plant who really help other people digitalize their systems. A few things from the previous presentation. It's great to have context setting from a customer because it allows you to center around that and really appreciate it. But fleet maintenance, risk-based maintenance, and pulling those systems together is certainly the space we'd be in. Intelligent Plant's really not about systems that deal with data from or about people, and more about systems that deal with data from or about machines. So if it's something that's a process with a form and people clicking on stuff, we tend not to be involved. But if it's fully automated, dragging data out of live machines, that tends to be when we're involved. In this sort of world that we live in with the data about machines, data is like money. And when I look around at other vendors, they act like banks. And what that means is, when you put your money in the bank, you think you own it. If that bank goes bust, you suddenly realize you don't own it, the bank does. And that's a key thing for me, is making sure that customers own their data truly and absolutely, that they're the owner and the custodian. So that's one of the key differentiators of what we do. We make sure that clients own their data and have full custody of it and can get the best use out of it for themselves. Not the best use out of it for us, but the best use out of it for them. That involves a lot of cybersecurity and making sure that the best structure is in place to do this, do it well, allow people to collaborate and work together on systems and data, but without sacrificing the security of the asset, especially when it comes to control. And so many times people look at trying to weigh up, do they do this or do they lose security? It shouldn't be like that. You can get both. So we tend to make things that allow clients themselves to go and make analyses with no-code applications. We do live online apps. Right now we do that for a lot of the clients actually shipping in terms of oil and gas companies globally. And we help those companies to be able to get the use out of their own data, whether that's sharing it with someone else or doing some analysis on it. And in most cases, it only takes a few hours to get started with this. Someone can download something, install it, connect it up to systems, and start on day one. So we're looking for partners in each industry. So we're in oil and gas at the moment. We're currently looking at wind. We're looking at manufacturing, and shipping is looking pretty interesting too now. But we look for engineering partners to help our clients get the best use out of these tools. They need to be experts in the domain. And we don't want to be that. We want to be experts in the data and making sure the client gets the best use out of the data whilst partnering with someone in the domain. So it's certainly something that we're very interested in. We see people being able to provide services, develop new apps, and being a key thing there, but also getting a good cybersecurity professional to give an objective viewpoint is definitely a key place. So we're looking for all of these to further and accelerate our delivery. Right now, you can go online, do a search for Industrial App Store on your favorite search engine. You'll find us at the top, and you'll find a number of apps that exist there already that will help you with fleet performance, doing risk-based maintenance, and understanding when equipment's starting to behave differently. That's exactly the stuff that we do, and we make it possible for our customers to do it themselves. That's me. I'm Steve Aiken. I run a company called Intelligent Plant. Hopefully, I've not gone over time.
No, that was absolutely perfect. Yeah, good presentation here, absolutely on time. And it's good to see cybersecurity mentioned a lot earlier on and not in the last slide as it is sometimes. So that was good.